Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the postcards that sold on eBay and had 2 sales on HIP. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. We had, let me see, a total of 18 orders, 152 for yesterday, the 30th. So first one, large letter greetings from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'm not sure, probably 1937 is the publication date for that card. And even though it was postmarked in 1946, that little 7A means 1937 in the Kurt-Tech numbering system. So 724 for that card. This is a multi-view greetings from Lower Gulf Coast, Florida, a linen card. Same buyer came in and bought several Florida cards from me yesterday. This one was $5.99. They also bought this one, Sailfish Fishing in Florida, Gulf Stream, 1950s. $5.99. And they bought this one, Miami, Florida, Parrot Jungle, Susie the Monkey, 1950s. And that sold for $6.99. This is Trinidad, British West Indies, Coconut Avenue, probably 1940s, 30s, something like that. $5 on a best offer. World War I, Fort Monroe, Virginia, Company Front Cadets, 1911. It's usually called Fortress Monroe. Interesting, this is just Fort Monroe. Anyway, $6.99 for that one. Lincoln, Nebraska. This is the Lincoln General Hospital, circa 1940s. And that sold for $8.25 on a best offer. Urich, Missouri. Greetings from Urich. It's probably like Urich. Yeah, pretty basic and just pretty basic card. Floral greetings. Had it probably 7-8 years. Sold for $5.99. Carneys Point, New Jersey, street scene vintage. Probably could have put cottages, houses, something like that. Residential street, something like that would have been okay in a title. $6.99 for that card. Greenville, Pennsylvania, National Hotel, Horse Wagons, 1906. And that sold for $15 on a best offer. Don't remember where I got this. Probably from the dealer I bought it. Oh wait, no, that's 31E, $10. So I paid $1 for this card from the dealer who passed away, and his antique mall booth was still open. That big scratch. $7.50 for a Honesdale, Pennsylvania train arriving Union Railroad Station. Even with the missing corner, still brought in $7.50. There's the back. This is a multi-view greetings from Aruba. Came in the auction lot that I bought back in August of 2021. This person bought 4 of them for $2.49 each. This is Haines, Oregon, Radium Hot Springs Swimming Pool. Looks like there's still snow on the mountains. I'm not sure. People out in Oregon, is the snow stay on the mountains all year round? Probably. $12 for best offer. This is Rochester, New York, Lollipop Farm Petting Zoo Humane Society. $5.01 on a best offer. Another card I've had for 7 or 8 years. Birthday greetings, Butterfly Flowers Poem, 1920s. Came from the same auction lot from August of 2021. $2.99 for that card. This is humor. If you must have a birthday, have happy one. Probably have a happy one. Couldn't fit it in. There's Charles Twelvetrees. That's a better view of his signature. And always these pudgy face kids. 919 for that card. That's the back. Next, we have a large letter greetings from Austin, Texas, 1939 linen. Got this at the York Postcard Show in November. Paid about 80 cents for it. I think that's what I paid for it. 80 cents, could have been a quarter, but average was 80 cents for all those cards I bought that day. $6.99 for that one. This is Washington, Indiana, dual view, 1950s Main Street and Courthouse. Another card that's been around for 7 or 8 years. $6.99 for that one. And the two sales I had on HIP. This is Wildwood by the Sea, New Jersey. Jungle Land Mine Ride Hunts Pier. Hunts Pier is an amusement pier in Wildwood. And this one sold for $14.99. And then the next one is Grand Haven, Michigan, Spring Lake Country Club House, 1920s. And there's that. So a little slower day than yesterday. Again, I got a list. You got a list, got a list, got a list. You list, you sell. So that's what I got to do today. Okay, hopefully your sales are decent. And I thank you all for watching.